Before you start editing your videos, watch this first. Okay, so which software is the best for editing your videos? That one is subjective because for me, I've been using Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve for many years, but I recently came across CapCut and I realized CapCut is a lifesaver, especially when you want to create captions. Man, it takes you a lot of time doing that in Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve or After Effects. But when it comes to CapCut, it's just click and it auto-generates the captions for you. Number two, why I feel like I'm going to be using CapCut to edit my videos. Number two is that this software is free, absolutely free. Yes, they have a paid version, but with the free version, you do pretty everything. And then also number three, why I feel I'm gonna use CapCut to be editing my videos. Number three is that CapCut is available on mobile, available on desktops, available on web. And all these environments, you get a free version for them. So cool, huh? Another thing is that there are some effects I've been creating with After Effects, and they have been taking a lot of time. But with CapCut, it's just drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop. Man, who doesn't like drag and drop things? It saves time and it's so quick. You just drag, drop, move, drag, drop, move. So guys, I don't know about you, but for me, yes, I cannot say I'm dumping Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and After Effects. No, they are still my friends. But for short videos like these ones, I feel I prefer using CapCut.